Hello, hello. This is Angela with Dogwood Paper Arts, and I'm back to show you the walkthrough on this journal. Scoot a few things out and bring my lamp a little bit up. Okay, so there we are. Here is the Christmas journal. I think it's done, unless I've glued some pages together. So we start with our front cover, and I made it so that this was an original journal card, and I made it so this is glued down as the cover. And then I put this tuck here, and there's also a little tuck right here to put this card into. When this card is here, you can't really see the Santa, so it kind of creates a surprise to see it right there. And if you want, you can tuck some more items into here. Say you've got some stuff going on and you need to just hang on to some things. You can tuck them in here. You have some space. Now this is a background for some postcards. And you can see if you put a postcard in here, it fits very nicely. And you could put several of them in there. And it will hang on to them for a little while for you till you're ready to use them. We made a really quick tassel. And I showed you in the last video how to do that, to make a really quick tassel. We made this one together. They're very fast. They're kind of all over the place because of just the way that the ribbon is made. And this comes on spools, and I got it at Amazon. Bead stuff I buy all over the place. I couldn't tell you where I buy a specific bead, really. My favorites are, of course, Michael's, Joann's, sometimes Hobby Lobby. Fire Mountain Gems is always a popular one for me, because you can buy in bulk. The more you buy, the less the price comes down. Now, I did not get this blue one changed out, so it's going to stay. I was going to change this little rhinestone to green, but I did not. And this one here is bugging me. I may have to take that one down and re-sew it, but I don't know, maybe we'll just leave it. And then I wanted to show you, let's see, I put an edging on here. Thank you to whoever sent that to me. I sure like it. And on the back I talked about having this either as a loose and floppy tie, or we could actually glue it down by putting something back here. So that's what I've done. I've put this back here and went ahead and glued it down. So that, I think, works better. This is a one signature journal. It's for December daily. It's the first 25 days of the Christmas season. And we come here, and I did not get a charm put on there. This string was just falling apart too much, and it made it impossible to do. So there we are. So here we go. We flip this up, and inside we have some journaling cards, postcards. And these are with the kit. If it's something from another kit, I'll tell you. But these came with the kit from Shannon at Mixed Media, Minnesota. And this kit was right here. Simple Stories. Simple Vintage Dear Santa. And it came with a 12x12, a 6x8, and a whole bunch of goodies. Now, she does not have any more of these left, but she has a new Christmas one out, and it is fabulous too. So hop on over there. Maybe you'll get one. I don't know. But she also has digitals that are very beautiful. So go check out Shannon at Mixed Media Minnesota's channel on on here at YouTube, and go to her Etsy site for some goodies. So here we go. Up here we have added a little cluster of items, and in here I've just put a couple of little cards to journal on. I haven't done anything to them. I always like to leave things for the new owner to do in the journal. So let's put this one in there too. I like this. I think that would be nice in here. Now over here, I've put in two different items. This little piece is from 49 and Market, and it comes in a sack like this, and I don't know where I put the thing, but so I really can't tell you much about it. I should be able to, but I'm sorry, don't know where I put the thing. Oh, but I do know what it is. I do. I think it is the Christmas Spectacular. Yes, it is the Christmas Spectacular, and I got it at scrapbook.com. Not scrapbooking.com, or not scrapbookingwithme.com, but scrapbook.com. And then up here we have a little tag, and this may have came from there as well. I'm not sure about this one. I have a lot of Christmas stuff, and I'm gonna use it. So I just made an upper tuck with this little doily piece. And then we close this back down. I don't know if you got to see that or not, but we'll close it down and maybe tie it up. These are pretty nice and tight ties. And we flip to here, and we have a 5-pocket belly band. I showed you how to make that in an earlier video, with a little journaling card here. Deck the halls. So let's put that one in there. And then this is a piece of, I don't really know what you call this. It's like a thermolam, like what you'd find on the inside of a collar or something, or down the front of a shirt to reinforce it. But it came this way as a paper. So I just thought that was very pretty and went appropriately with this. Here's a page we did together. I added just a little flower here. Paper I got from Josephine. I'm pretty sure, a long time ago. Just some more edging. And here we have, what's that? That doesn't belong in there. Here we have just a little pocket of goodies. Maybe I had this in here. Let's just put it in there for fun. I've just torn a piece of paper here and tucked a few items in. And these are from Artie Mays, these 2 tickets. And this is from the kit that I'm using, the little snowflake. And so is this. I backed it. And so is this. It's just a little card. And then back here we have a tag. Very cute. Just a piece of tracing paper in here. And then writing and little gold trimming. Beautiful, beautiful paper. This paper is very textured. It feels just lovely. You would love to feel it, really. Let's see. I think my light up here, over there, it has different settings, and I think it's set to a sun setting, so it's kind of dark. But anyway, here we go. We have some of the pieces from the kit. And then this one I got as a freebie from scrapbook.com. And we have a Rita Donnelly flip. And then we have this one. Now this came with the kit. It was a bunch of frames. And I have some of these. Sorry, you'll get a glossy look. This one is Hero Arts, clear panel cards. I got them at scrapbook.com. And this one is one that scrapbook.com has. SBC PT ADH 6147. Okay. And these are little clear sheets. See that? And they measure 6 by 5 by 6. 5 by 6. And I've just applied it to the back of the frame and glued the whole thing down except for in the center, so that it has this nice little protective cover over it. And I turned that into a pocket just by giving it the little fold over, the little pieces scored. I can't think of what to call them right now. I want to call them a gutter, but that's not it. Anyway, just so that I could make a nice pocket out of them. And I just took one of the postcards from the postcard is from Mistletoe and Holly, Blue Fern Studio. And it was in their Bits and Bobs 4 by 6 sheet. And they're just little postcards. And I just turned it into a journaling card for this journal. So if you need to see how I made this, please let me know down below in the comments, and I will be very happy to do a quick video on it for you. We have the center page, and I have nothing in here. I think this is a good place for the new owner to do something with it, whatever they see fit. I do think I should have put maybe some little gold corners on it though, or something. And then here I put another little pocket. So a pocket in a pocket. This is a 49 and Market. Paper in the background, as is this. And this came from the pack from Shannon. As did this Merry Christmas, I think. I've put washi tape and a little velvet trim on here. And this is a pretty firm cardboard piece, so it's pretty stiff. And I just put a little journaling card in there. And then we flip over here, we have the other half of the Rita Donnelly with the little mouse and Under the Tree. Merry and bright and awesome. And a couple of little scrapbook.com pieces. Oh, and this is scrapbook.com tag. And these are from the kit. And just a little gold piece here. That glue I was telling you kind of takes the color out of the gold, and it did on the back too. And so it has a little faded, look into it. So there's that. Couple little pages. little vellum, or sorry, not vellum, tracing paper. Here's one of our tucks. That's a nice little side tuck right there. Pretty edging again. I just added a little bit of holly and holly berries here. Some more of that sparkly paper. And then we have a pocket here, and in the pocket we have some little tickets that are from an Artie Mays digital kit. And then we just made a pocket here and here, and I've just left everything very blank for the new owner, and then a tag that has journaling space on the back. And then we come to the very last page, and in here is a little tiny pocket that I've glued this little doily down and made it into a little pocket. And we just have a Merry Christmas there and a little card right there. Then we come into here and open it up, and we have a little just a little bit from the kit, and I've just added some little fabric pieces under it to kind of add to it a little bit. And I made that a pull up there. And then they're both postcards. And of course the other Happy Santa right here. And up here we have just a few little journaling cards, and I've left them plain so that the new owner could do with them as they wish. And we'll tuck one more into it. How about this? There we go. So let's pull this back down. This is working better and better. And that, my friends, is the Christmas journal kit. The Christmas journal project. All done. The Christmas file folder. Now, the file folder is only on the outside, and that's the way I've been making my file folder journals lately. Been keeping them more simplified. You know, I can get pretty complicated with them, and I love to, as you know. Why not? So, okay, well, I will be putting this and my Christmas little journals on my Etsy site, I hope, tomorrow or the next day. Always something to do. And I may even just put this on there. So there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed the process of going through this journal, and thank you for following along and for helping me out here and there, and for putting up with my changing my mind type things. Trying to level that out so you can see it better. And yeah, I had a lot of fun. I have more Christmas stuff to start tomorrow. I don't know what we'll make, but we'll make something. Sounds good to me anyway. All right, thanks for joining me, and I hope you all had a good time. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!